Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 5-step paper airplane. Now, be right back. And I'm back. Now, get your piece of paper right here. It's not a very good color, but yeah. So, what you want to do is, you have your piece of paper right here. And that, wait one sec. Then you want to fold the corner so that it's kind of, I don't know if you could see that or if it's a bit too bright, but yeah, it's like right there. See that little crease? Well, you're going to fold it like that. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other end so that the point is perfect. Okay? And then it should be crossed over like this. Do you see how that happens right there?
Wait.
Well, then you do that.
Wait, one sec. Sorry, they couldn't see it.
Sean, yes they could. See, it's going like that. Now, you want to fold that triangle behind it. Okay, so that it's perfect. And that it has a point and a tip. And that what you want to do, like all the paper airplanes, is fold it in half. Okay, so like that. Make sure that, now I learned this from a book I read. Well, not this paper airplane, I made this one up. But then you gotta fold the wings. And the wings have to be perfect if you want it to work.
Hi. You get my
Now,
oh, you did mix it. You were next.
sorry about my mom. She's talking on the phone to my sister.
The truth.
And then, so you fold both
Where are
wings.
you? She said you gotta do that.
And then they should both be down like this. You don't want them to be down because they won't get more
Now?
distance in.
Okay.
So you're going to fold the two wings up.
Breakfast.
Simple.
Did you what did you think of that idea? So it's not
And then
you
you want to try and get a piece of clip, maybe a paper clip or a piece of tape. And there should be a little area right here. And it comes off really easily, so you tape it so that it goes against it. Then
we're going to go for breakfast now in the next half hour. It's at 1.
It's a good thing we have like really small ones in my house. Do that.
Huh?
Okay, so then you put it in. And voila. Your paper airplane is made. Now, it's not my fault if the paper clip just happens to fall off or something, because it's not my fault.
Let's see.
So, bye-bye.